How about that? So what I did, I ripped 45-degree angle. Then on the edge right here, I ripped just a little bit as well. This is a tip I got from Phil. So just to cut this off so that if sawdust and dust and whatnot builds up in there, it will still fit in. All right, so let's go ahead and fasten them on. Later I'm gonna come back with screws. All right, so this is the concept. The second one will have the same 45-degree angle cut, and again just kind of ripped off a little bit on the tip right there. Basically it should do this. Then you just get creative, make different kind of holders and stuff like that for your tools, whatever the case may be. I think this is where you can kind of use your carpentry skills. The point is that you can move it around, arrange your garage as you wish. Want to have it separated, obviously a little bit wider than this. So I think what I'm going to do is go ahead and use this kind of board right here as a guide for the next one. Pretty much do that, and then work your way up, and then all the way around. So far I've been able to use this self-leveling laser for this French cleats, and it's pretty cool how I can just place it on the ground right here, but I wanted to draw a line all the way up to the French cleat system. One feature I have not used is that you can mount it to a tripod, like a camera tripod. Let me go ahead and flip it over. You can see it's right there. I need to bring it over. I have one to be able to do that, so in lieu of that, I just place it on the ground and it goes all the way up. So far, it's working really well. This is around $150 on Amazon. So for a Christmas gift, a Father's Day gift, or something like that, birthday gift, this is really cool. I wish I would have had one of these before. Really saves you a lot of time, and it enables you to create a nice, clean product. Alright folks, so that ought to do it for this particular video right here, working on the French cleat system. This is my first time ever doing it, so if you have some comments and suggestions, please comment below. After this, I'll be working on the different mounting systems. Here's another, I'll probably use this board right here and multiple others, and pretty much just place it in there and make some sort of mounting system for different screwdrivers and different tools and different items. Really looking forward to getting that done and expanding it all the way around here in the garage. I was able to use this Lasgoo model LG-360 self-leveling laser 360 up and down all the way around. It's really cool. It has a self-leveling mode, 5 degrees. So as I've noted before, if it blinks is because it is not level. or you can lock it so that you can just draw a straight line. You can also mount it to the tripod, and then it also comes along with this mount right here where you can clamp it. It's actually packed really tight in there, so and I'm one-handed right now, my apologies. But so it has a magnetic and then you can clamp it to, say, that beam right there. In conjunction with that, I was also able to use the Linknall L820BN. It ranges between 5/8 and 1 3/8, or in millimeters or centimeters 1.5 to 3.5. That is what came with the gun, and that is what I used. I definitely do not trust it to hold it once it gets heavy with tools. With the laser, I was able to just kind of, this is just more for aesthetics, a nice clean line. But however, if there was a 2x4 behind it and you want to hit that 2x4 or whatever, that would come in handy. The laser straight up and down, and then straight down this way. All right, folks, so hopefully you enjoy it. Great gifts in my opinion, especially as I was using this one. I was really thinking, like, man, I should have had this years ago. Very reasonable price, so it's not going to kill the bank or anything like that. All right, folks, have a great day. Bye.